Good day and welcome to the channel. In this short video, we are going to explain how to do a factory reset, sometimes called a hard reset, on a Samsung printer. In this case, we have a Samsung C460, and we've got it plugged in, first thing. Second thing you need to do is wake it up, and to do that, you need to press the stop clear or something to get it woken up. And what we need to do now is to get into what they call the tech menu. I call it the service menu. It's not very hard, but it's a key combination. So you have to do this in quick succession, but it's menu and then pound 1934 menu. And that will change this to tech. So let's do it quick. So menu, pound 1934 menu. Okay, now using the arrow keys and the OK button, click OK for the tech menu. And then what we want to do is go through, there it is, data menu. If it's not up for you immediately, just use the arrows on the left and right here and go to press OK on data setup. And then we need to use the arrow keys to go through to memory clear. There it is, clear all mem. Yes, press OK. Select country, sure, USA, that's fine. And there it is, clearing all memory. That's it. Hey, if you found this video useful, please give us the big thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always get a hold of us directly at www.urtech.ca. That's www.urtech.ca. Or you can leave a question or comment below, and if we don't get back to you, somebody else will, because on YouTube, everybody has an opinion. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye-bye.